I'm using a big flat skillet just because I want to maximize the amount of cauliflower that I can sear. I'm gonna go in with my cauliflower and I'm gonna just give them a quick toss and then, you know, go and rearrange them after. And that's it. So now I've switched to my wok and I'm gonna start by reducing a little bit of coconut milk. Note that I am not using any oil at all. I'm gonna go in right away with my yellow curry paste. And now I'm gonna add my cauliflower. Woo! I'm gonna go in with some tomatoes. It smells so good in here right now. Unbelievable. And that came together so quickly, and look at that. It's some extra sauce from the bottom. Ah, that smell. It's got everything.